In this video, you'll learn how to generate business reports using Kimi AI. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to effectively utilize the platform for your reporting needs. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, ensure that you are on the home page, which features various options related to AI services. Next, locate the prompt section on the Kimi AI interface. This area is typically highlighted for easy access. You should see a clear input box where you can enter your requests. Type the phrase "generate reports for business for marketing" into the input box. Ensure that there are no spelling errors, as accuracy is important for Kimi AI to understand your request correctly. After entering your prompt, click on the Enter button to submit your request. This button is usually positioned adjacent to the input box. Once you click it, you should see a visual indication that your request is being processed. Now, patiently wait for Kimi AI to generate the report. Depending on the complexity of your request and the current workload of the system, this may take a few moments. You may observe a loading indicator or a progress bar during this time, which signifies that the AI is working on your request. Once the report is generated, it will appear on your screen. Review the contents to ensure that it meets your expectations. If necessary, you can make adjustments to your prompt and repeat the process to refine the report further. Always consider the file size and your internet speed, as larger reports may take longer to generate or download, especially on slower connections. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.